Disassembly and disinfection by using alcohol for medical staff. After leaving the working zone at the end of the shift, move into the changing area. Proceed to disassemble and pre-disinfect the Vihood. Step 1. Remove the suspension belt, battery and blower. Hang them on hangers. Release the breathing tube under the battery cover. Step 2. Use an alcohol-soaked towel to carefully clean the surfaces of the equipment following order: suspension belt, blower case, battery pouch, USB cable, breathing tube. Step 3. Turn your back to the hangers. Move away from it in order not to let the breathing tube behind the Vihood make any contact with the protective clothing. Wipe the upper half of the breathing tube and also the surface of the Vihood. The chin area also needs to be cleaned in case accidentally exposed when using. Step 4. Pull the hood of the protective cloth off your head while keeping the Vihood stay firmly on. Avoid exposing or touching your face. Then take the gloves and protective cloth off according to this procedure. Step 5. Wash hands with soap or sanitizer. Step 6. Turn off the device. Use both hands to pull the facepiece shroud from your chin to the front of your face, then take the Vihood off your head. Put them immediately into the already opened aluminum bag or container. Step 7. Close the bag or container and move it to the disinfection area. Wash hands with soap or sanitizer, put the mask on and move out of the changing area.